When splinting a sprain, fracture, or dislocation, the malleable splint provides rigid support for the injured limb. Measure the patient's limb and adjust the splint to the proper length, extending to joints above and below the injury. Be careful not to move the patient's injured limb when splinting. When appropriate, use your own limb to assist with forming the splint into a C curve. Gently position the splint on the injured limb. Secure the splint with the provided elastic wrap, leaving room to access the pulse. When appropriate, utilize the triangular bandage to create a sling to support the injured limb. Monitor patient and reassess for pulse until professional responders take over care.